Okay, hi everyone. Okay, so I'm audible. Yes, raise hand if I'm audible. Okay, okay. Where are others? Turn on your cameras, guys. Everyone, so that we can see. Okay, great. Okay, so what we are going to discuss. Okay, so like I will give you instruction also, how you can prepare for CCNA and CCNP and core also. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay. Somebody is saying something. Yeah, recording is also started. Don't worry. Okay, so I hope you guys can see my screen now. Yes. Okay. Okay, so to become what we call CCNA, CCNP or a network professional engineer. So I have already mentioned here. Okay, what knowledge you guys have to you should have. Okay, this is my expectation from all of you, those who are learning CCNA, CCNP. Okay, so you should be very good at network fundamentals. Okay, so this is most of you you need to learn network fundamentals, OSI model, TCP IP model and all. Okay, and then you should have IP addressing and subnetting knowledge. Okay, so this is what subnetting. Okay, after that should learn about router basics. So router basics means you should know how to configure IP addresses and all. Yes. After that, you should learn about DHCP, Telnet, SSH. That you should be aware like how to configure DHCP, Telnet, SSH and all. Okay, so some part of VLANs and trunks, how to configure VLANs, trunks and all. Inter VLAN is very important topic. Okay, so how two different departments communicate with each other, and there are different methods of inter VLAN, like a router on a stick. Okay, SVI method. Yeah. Okay, so then we have to learn about Ether channel, how to create bundle. Okay, bundle. So then we have static routing, then we have default routing, then we have EAGRP topic, then OSPF, spanning tree protocol, ACL, network address translation. Okay, some topic like a little bit of wireless and all basics. Okay, some security. Okay, so some basic automation overview, and then SNMP, syslog and all. Okay, so you should understand little bit of what is virtualization, like what is VMware. At least you should know कि VMware क्या होता है. Okay, so AWS क्या होता है? What is VMware? What is AWS? Okay, and so when it comes to like other advanced topics, we are going to advance like in CCNP and core. Once you done with your CCNA basics, right? So you have to go for this module, which is CCNP Encore. So what is Encore? Which is Cisco Enterprise Network Core Technologies. Okay. So I'm going to take a batch. Okay. So just for your information. Okay. My screen is not visible. Okay. Just hold on. Please check again. So okay, so yeah, so I was showing you these things. Okay, network fundamental, OSI model, IP addressing, subnetting, router basics, DHCP, Telnet, SSH, VLAN and trunks, inter VLAN, Ether channel, static routing, default routing, basic of EIGRP, OSPF, spanning tree, ACL, NAT. Okay, some basic of wireless and automation. So in CCNA, normally you learn about network basics. Okay, so like port security, little bit of virtualization, cloud. Okay, and this is how you can prepare for your CCNA exam. Okay, so it's very basic. So with just only CCNA, it is very hard to get jobs. Okay, so this is why we always come with combos. Like the combo what we are going to take now, this time I'm going to come with a batch, which is now this time CCNA plus CCNP Encore. Okay, so most of you, those who have joined my CCNA plus CCNP NRC, Okay, so if you are joining with me for Encore, you will again able to revise your CCNA again. So this will be an advantage for all of you that you are attending the CCNA topics 2 times, because the expert, who is expert, basically the guy who is very good in basics, not the guy who understand BGP MPLS very well, but he lacks in OSI model. Yes, agree? ठीक है, तो आपको ये समझना है कि so the guys who are joining with me for the first time, they will start from CCNA, then Encore. Okay, so then after that, they can go for the CCNP different module, which is NRC. Okay, so if you are not aware of what is this Encore NRC, okay, to get CCNP certification in the market, तो अगर आपको CCNP certified होना है, if you want to get CCNP certified, okay, so you need to pass 2 exams. Okay, so this is certification exams. Okay, so you can see here, if I view all exams. Okay, so you can see that if I want to get CCNP, so this is the CCNA, but if I scroll up and you can see there is a CCNP. Okay, so the CCNP, this is the empower the world biggest networks with CCNP enterprise. Okay, so now what do you see here? Okay, so we need to pass 1 core exam, which is mandatory, and 1 concentration exam. Okay, so which exam is mandatory for CCNP? That is CCNP Encore. Are you getting my point? So if you want to get CCNP certified, this exam is very important. You have to pass this exam, and with additional Encore training. So Encore अगर आपका हो गया, suppose you join my batch, you complete your Encore training. After that, or along with this module, okay, साथ में भी कर सकते हो, इसके बाद भी कर सकते हो. After this Encore module, you can learn an RC, what some of you maybe already attended from my previous batch, and the guys, the new guys who will be joining with me, they will learn with me CCNA plus Encore. So if you have already done an RC, so then Encore ka exam dena, you have to give Encore exam plus you can give an RC exam. Okay, there is one more catch. So Ankur, who is that guy? Okay, okay. Okay, so Encore हो गया आपका. Okay, once Encore is done, okay, and after that NRC, like you have only taken the training, no need to give exam of NRC. Okay, and directly I would recommend you to give this exam, which is SD1. Okay, NRC is definitely mandatory to learn, because you learn about OSPF in detail, BGP in detail, MPLS. Okay, lot of things you learn in NRC, and you will keep digging those things when you go for interviews like Cisco interviews, Juniper interviews. So an RC content is very important for you, right? So you can't skip an RC. Okay, so this is what my recommendation to all of you. We recently created combos. Like we recently created a program which is called Cloud Network Engineer Combo. Let me tell you how you can become a cloud network engineer. See, you start with CCNA, okay, and you learn about this Encore. After that, you can learn NRC, okay, which covers OSPF, BGP, MPLS, all lot of things. And then you learn about SD-WAN. Okay, so when it comes to the certification, because certification is also important. Yes, how many of you think that? Just raise hand. किसको लगता है सर्टिफिकेशन नॉलेज के साथ डिमांडिंग है? टर्न ऑन योर कैमरास, एलन एंड ऑल अदर गाइस, एवरीवन. Yeah, so once you have good knowledge, so definitely CCNP certification is definitely going to change your like resume. Okay, because it is very powerful certification. It is not a very basic certification. It is very powerful certification. Okay, so this is the plan. So no need to give CCN exam. Okay, no need to give an RC exam. Okay, so what my recommendation to all of you, so that you can save money and become CCNP certified, so that I recommend you to go for Encore plus SD-WAN exam. Everyone, knowledge to charo ka lena hai. Okay, for all 4 modules, knowledge is required. But when it comes to the certification, I would recommend you to go for Encore and SD-WAN exam. Why? Because when you clear Encore, okay, so when you clear the CCNP Encore, you get this certification, which is what we call, let me show you my profile. So you can search Credly Atul Sharma. I think you will see my profile. Okay, once you get your profile, you can always create your profile like that and directly share this kind of profile with your what we call employers where you apply the jobs. Okay, so you can see this is the certification you will get in CCNP Encore. तो एक certification आपको ये मिलेगा. Okay, sorry, this is my service provider certification. Okay, so where is my enterprise? I think it's not showing me. Yeah, enterprise core. Okay, so this is the certification you will get. That yeah, this guy is certified and the certification is expiring in 2023 October 20. Oh man, again I have to give exam. Okay, no worries. Okay, so companies can directly verify that I have given this exam on 2011 and I got a renewal and all like this so the certification valid for 3 years. Okay, so pehli point hai, so the first when you clear your Encore, okay, you will get this certification which is called Cisco Certified Specialist. Okay, so the first thing, so once you clear this Encore module, you become what? Let me write here. Cisco Certified Specialist Enterprise and Core. Clear, everyone? Yes. And when you give the SD-WAN exam, you will become Cisco Certified Specialist SD-WAN. Like this. Okay, so additionally, because this is very powerful, you can show in your resume that you are SD-WAN certified. Okay, additionally, like once you clear two modules, you will also become CCNP certified, which is this certification. Okay, so this is my CCNP full certification. This is called the full CCNP enterprise. Okay, so it means when you give one exam, you become Cisco certified specialist. And when you clear both Encore or SD-WAN, you become full CCNP certified, which is Cisco certified network professional. Okay, so now if you suppose if you do not give an SD-WAN exam, if you give an RC exam, okay, तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या सर्टिफिकेशन मिलेगा? That if you give an RC exam, you will get Cisco certified specialist advanced routing, right? Advanced routing like this. Okay, like this certification I also have, I think. Yeah, so if you clear an RC, you will get this certification, which is advanced. Yeah, so this is Cisco Certified Specialist Enterprise Advanced Infrastructure Implementation. Okay, so I want to ask you, like SD-WAN certification is more appealing right now in the market, or you go for an RC? Okay, so that's your choice. So tell me which options do you like more to give a certification, because you can give Encore plus an RC or you can go for Encore SD-WAN. So obviously, you know, SD-WAN is a hot topic in the industry today, right? If the exam cost is same, if you go and give exam of an RC, I think it's $300. Okay. SD-WAN exam is also $300. So exam cost hai, okay? This is exam cost. And core fees is a little high. It's called $400. थोड़ा investment है, but trust me, this is going to be the life changer. Okay, जितना ये certification पे आप पैसा लगाने वाले हो, okay, so suppose you spend almost $700. Okay, $700 plus GST. So prox you consider 750, 760 something. If you multiply by 82 चल रहा है शायद dollar, right? 750 approx. Okay, so that comes around 62,000. I know this is very big amount. Okay, so this is very big amount that you are spending 62,000 in for your certification. But first of all, like in 62,000, they are valid for around 3 years. The first point. Okay, and if you have good knowledge, just imagine 60,000, which approximately, if you just calculate from that perspective, like 62,000 divided by 3 years, 36 months. So monthly you are paying, just it's like a premium to Cisco. Consider that way. Okay, that you are paying around 1,700 rupees a monthly, okay, monthly to Cisco. And what exactly you are getting, just think from like investment perspective, है ना? ऐसे सोचना हमें कि like we are investor and we are investing in some kind of stocks, and the best investment you get in your education only, right? So when you are paying this 1700 rupees every month for next 3 years, because you are paying around 62,000 for 3 years for an core and SD-WAN. Okay, so maybe suppose you guys are on 5 lakhs. Okay, maybe in India, suppose your salary is around 5 lakhs yearly. Okay, or maybe like if you are in USA or Canada, so suppose you are on $70,000 right now. Okay, so just imagine if you complete your CCNP Encore NRC or SD-WAN, okay, and you become SD-WAN certified, you become CCNP certified. I also recommend you one Palo Alto certification. Okay, so once you have suppose you are on 5 lakhs right now, or maybe you are on 3 lakhs. Let's take the, like, your salary is already low, 3 to 5. Okay, so with CCNP certification, and if you have good knowledge, you can directly apply to big companies. Like you can apply to Cisco, Juniper Networks. You can apply to big MNCs also. Okay, minimum hike if we expect. अगर अब मैं minimum hike सोचूं, okay, suppose you are on, if you're a fresher also, or already if you are on 3 to 5, within 3 years, my expectation, if you are a average guy, okay, average means if you are a good learner, but not too much have a high skill, तो अगर आप average भी हो, so if you are on 5 lakhs right now, and if you are CCNP certified, and suppose if you take 2 jumps in 3 years, I am sure that you will be on more than 15 lakh CTC within 2, 3 years. This is the for average employees. Okay, so if you are a good learner, after CCNP, you will learn firewalls, SD-WAN, automation, cloud, a lot of technologies you are going to learn. Then there is no limit. I'm just giving option. If you only learn CCNP, you can go from 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs in next 3 years. Okay, with only CCNP if you do not do anything. But I'm sure you will not stick your knowledge to CCNP now, because cloud is booming right now. Cloud security is booming right now. So when you learn advanced technologies, like you learn about cloud security, you learn about firewalls, SD-WAN, you are going to learn Python for network engineers. So अगर आप advanced skill, suppose you connected after CCNA, NP, you learn a lot of other technologies in networkings we have. Okay, if you keep digging those things, so I think you can achieve more than this in next 3 to 4 years. So if I'm asking you, suppose like just a CCNP by just paying 1700 rupees. So within next 3 years, you will be on 15 to 20 lakhs. Okay, but with good knowledge, with CCNP certification. So do you think this is the good investment? 2000 रुपए देके तुम्हें 3 साल के अंदर तुम 15-20 पे पहुंचोगे। ये मैं लिख के दे सकता हूं अगर आप एवरेज हो. ओके, सो एवरेज, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द एवरेज गाइज, बट आई एम श्योर यू आर चैम्प्स. Right, so if you are a champs, then this is the minimum you are going to get. And if you learn more advanced technologies at networkings, okay, or maybe somewhere else, if you feel like very good, okay, so like we have a lot of other technologies, as I mentioned. Okay, so we are creating these programs like cloud security programs. Okay, we have firewall mastery programs, like where you learn Palo Alto, checkpoint, firewall, and F5 load balancer. There are a lot of technologies. If you keep learning from networkings, you will spend like 7, 8 years with us. We have that many courses in networking. Okay, so if you want to become like jack of all, right, so I would recommend you at least you become master of one, not none, right? So this is the thing. So this is why certification is very important, because your resume shows credibility that this guy is good. Okay, obviously you can take an example. I think I have created one template few, आई थिंक एक मैंने स्लाइड बनाई थी, मुझे याद है शायद. ओके, सो इट वाज माय CCNA slide earlier, like I don't know if it, yeah. So I think this is the resume we created for Mrutyunjay. Hi Mrutyunjay, you are here only. Okay, so I was showing you that when you see any resume, okay, so let's take an example of this guy. Okay, so when you see the certifications, okay, like on the resume, and many, so definitely this is going to be the change. Yeah. You can see now. Okay, like this. Okay, so now you can see here, this is Mrityunjay's resume, and we have added CCNA, CCNP, and Palo Alto, and we have added the skill and all. So this looks more professional. If you remove the certification, this looks means I'm not saying, but yes, it adds the most. So as a recruiter, suppose you become a recruiter, uh, okay. So for just imagine, so you are a recruiter. So, and if your company is asking to hire good employees, okay, to hire good network engineers, so will you select this resume? Obviously. So if you are hiring a CCNP certified guys, or like layer two, what we call level 2 engineers, so definitely you are going to pick the resume, because this is more, so directly it is showing you that this guy is CCNP certified, Palo Alto certified. Okay, so he worked with the various companies and all. Definitely you are going to select, because this certification is going to add value. But if you remove the certification and you just put a number and email, so now you can see the difference. Okay, now you see the difference. Okay, this is the resume. So it is actually not highlighting. I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say. So the certification is very important, but with good knowledge. So if you just cram the questions and you go and get certified, then there is no value. You need to learn the technologies very well, right? Okay, so that's the thing here. And so this is why the certification is very important. Consider this is like an investment on you. It definitely it is going to give returns. Okay, so if you are on $70,000, definitely within 2-3 years you will definitely cross 1.5. Okay, 1.5 lakhs USD, and or what we call dollars. Okay, so if you get CCNP, but I'm saying CCNP is not enough also, because technology is changing a lot. So you need to understand more advanced technologies. But the first step to become a network engineer today is to learn these technologies: CCNA, CCNP, NRC, SD-WAN, and additionally, I would recommend you any firewall. Okay, like a Palo Alto. You can pick FortiGate. Okay, you can pick Checkpoint also. तो जो भी आपको अच्छा लग रहा है firewall, वो आप ले सकते हैं. Okay, you can pick any firewall. Okay, so then your resume will be good. Okay, so now when it comes to like what we are going to, because CCNA syllabus I have already shared, this is very basic. Okay, but yes, if you guys want to see, like you can see the CCNP's content, but I want to show you the Encore, because one Encore is uh, okay. Yeah, so this is 350401. This is the exam code. Okay, so I'm going to start a batch which is CCNA plus CCNP Encore, and the timings we have decided. Okay, so this is 99%. This is the same timing we are going to do batch. Okay, that's Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, and the timing is 10 p.m. IST. Okay, so this is like I was thinking to start at 9:30, but no worries. But I'm giving a buffer, because many people they come from office little late, like 8 p.m., 9 p.m. So that's why. But the best part is that this is not 3 hours class. This is only 1.5 hours. Okay, so that you do not have to spend a lot of time on that. By 11:30 you will be able to sleep. Okay, in India. So now you can convert this time zone. I'm not sure about US people, how the timing is going to work for you. But if it is time to EST, okay, so that's around 11:30. I'm not sure that if you are able to attend this. Uh, okay. But yes, this is still in pipeline. Maybe if a lot of people are going to request that you need weekend. Okay, if it is a weekend, because I can only take either Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, or either I can take Saturday, Sunday. That's like we will take a poll again. Okay, so if it is Saturday, Sunday, then timing is same 4:30 p.m. to 7. Okay. So if it is Saturday, Sunday, so I'll keep the same timing 4:30 p.m. to 7. Okay, CCNA plus Encore. But this time I think like weekdays would be better. Okay. Rest we will take a vote and see which time. I'm sure Saturday, Sunday is okay for everyone. Weekdays would be better. Saturday, Sunday, Mritanjay. Yeah, Mritanjay, I will share. You will. Okay. Okay, so this is the plan and what we are going to learn. So let me refresh. Okay, so the price is already written here, $400. Okay. So this is the exam topics. It has a lot of topics, yeah, and core is so vast. Trust me, it is like you are going to learn. You can see the first thing you are going to learn is HSRP, VRRP, GLBP. Okay, so that's basically redundancy protocols. Okay, suppose in your company you have two routers or four routers. Okay, so what is this concept HSRP, VRRP, GLBP? You can see this. Suppose your computer is going to internet and if one router fails, अगर आपका gateway fail हो गया, if your router fails, how this computer is going how this computer is going to forward all traffic to the second router. So these technologies are called HSRP, VRRP, GLBP. Okay, so we are going to learn these three technologies. After that, we are going to learn about the WLAN deployment. Okay, so how to configure wireless and all access devices. So we are going to differentiate between on-premises and cloud infrastructure. Means I can show you how to create subnets in AWS. Okay, so this is what I'll show you VPC and all. Then we will learn SD-WAN. Okay, not SD-WAN pura batch nahi hai ye, because in Encore you get to know about SD-WAN around 3 to 4 hours. Okay, I will definitely help you in this batch. I can commit that yes, we can do a basic setup of SD-WAN. You can at least understand how to set up SD-WAN. That's it. Because even that is not a part of Encore. That is again in our separate Encore SD-WAN batch. ओके बट मैं फिर भी इस बैच में मैं इतना दिखा दूंगा आपको कि कैसे SD-WAN डिप्लॉय करते हैं. ओके आई विल शो यू हाउ टू इंप्लीमेंट SD-WAN बिकॉज SD-WAN itself is a big technology. Okay, so you can see this is what lab access you are going to get for SD-WAN. Okay, you can also take CCNA and core plus SD-WAN. The guys who have done an RC with me, okay, they can take a combo and core SD-WAN also. Okay. So after that, we are going to learn about SD access technology. Again, we are going to understand SD access. Okay, what is this SD access solution? Again, we are going to spend around 2 to 3 hours on this solution. Okay, that how you can automate your LAN network. How you can automate your LAN network with the Cisco DNA solution. Okay, but normally this is going to be definitely it's one of the top solution in market today, which is called Cisco SD access solution. Then we are going to learn now. You can see in the quality of service, we are going to understand the policies, how we can implement quality of service. Okay, so quality of service is में क्या पढ़ेंगे हम in quality of service we are going to understand what is DHCP values, AF values. Okay, so precedence values and all. So it's a good topic. Means we need to understand the priority. Suppose your company is asking you to give priority to the video traffic. So there should be some kind of what we call quality of service techniques where you will be going to forward your network traffic. You want to give priority to multimedia streaming. You want to give priority to high throughput data. So we can implement quality of service in the company to give more priority to the more technologies. Like suppose I want to give priority to voice traffic. How to give priority to the voice traffic? So we need to understand these AF bits. ओके तो हमें ये कुछ पढ़ना पड़ता है एफ बिट्स. ये थोड़ा एडवांस है अभी, कुछ लोगों के ऊपर से जाएगा. बट यस, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यूज हियर. वी डू नॉट हैव टू क्रैम ऑल दीज वैल्यूज, बट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर दिस एएफ बिट्स. ओके, नॉर्मली ये जो एएफ बिट्स आपको दिख रही है यहाँ पे, ये देखो या ये बीएमपी कौन सी फाइल होती है या. Okay, so you can see here class 1, AF11, AF12, AF13. So So this is what we are going to understand, that which AF value will be better to forward the traffic. Okay. So we need to understand policing and shaping, quality of service techniques. बहुत सारी होती हैं. Okay. We have a lot of techniques in, okay, in quality of service, like WRED. Okay. So like it is full-fledged around 4 to 5 hours of content. But here, if you learn only Cisco PPT, if you see only Cisco PPT, only I think it's only half an hour or 1 hour content. But I'm going to teach you around 3 to 4 hours of quality of service, which will definitely help you to crack interviews, because a lot of people ask quality of service interview questions. Okay. Then we are going to learn about CEF, MAC address table, TCAM, FIB and RIB. Okay, so maybe you are going to understand about the switching techniques. Then there is a virtualization topic here. I'm going to show you how to deploy VMware. It's not, again, nobody covers that in CCNP and core, but I always try to help people to understand practically. So हम क्या करेंगे इसमें? What we are going to learn in virtualization, I'm going to show you how to install VMware ESXi. ठीक है, ESXi मैं पढ़ा दूंगा इसमें आपको. And then we will learn about VRF, GRE. Okay, so again, little bit of IPsec. Means these topics are also in NRC. We have learned about GRE and all. So यहाँ पे ListSpec protocol है, VXLAN है. VXLAN is a data center technology, which is again like we are going to spend 2 to 3 hours on this. And then spanning tree protocol will come, ether channel will come in again in little bit detail. Okay, like how we can do ether channel, what we call load balancing techniques. Okay, like source to MAC, destination to MAC and all. Now spanning tree protocol mein, in spanning tree protocol we are going to learn MST, multiple spanning tree protocol. Again we are going to revise, like when you learn about EIGRP OSPF basic, in NCore also we are going to learn EIGRP OSPF, but for around 3 to 4 hours. Okay. So normally when you learn an RC, we go for EIGRP around 10 to 12 hours. OSPF is around 15 hours. Right? Yes, agree? तो हम यहाँ पे 3-4 घंटे रिवीजन कर लेंगे. Okay, those who are coming for an RC and the guys who are joining. So after this, you have to learn an RC so that you go EIGRP OSPF in detail. The same goes with BGP. We are going to learn BGP for around 2 hours in this batch. Okay, for CCNA, CCNP and core. But when you join my NRC, okay, you are going to learn EIGRP, OSPF, BGP for around 40-50 hours. Okay, so this is the in-depth, and then we will learn about wireless content. Okay, how we can deploy the wireless and all techniques, how we can do wireless LAN configuration, the network time protocol, NAT, PAT, HSRP, VRRP, and then the biggest topic in this also, one of the good topic, I would say, multicasting. Because multicasting, like you need to understand about PIM, okay, IGMP, Internet Gateway Management Protocol. Okay, so PIM also so both protocols are multicasting protocols. So we are going to learn multicasting, and we will do some labs also, how you can stream a video over in the network. So in my lab, I will show you by playing a video from one server to and play in another computer, how we are forwarding the multicast traffic. Okay, so it is again going to take around 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so every topic here, what do you see in Encore is around 2 to 3 hours, and it can go up to 3 to 4, but not more than that, because we have a lot of topics here. तो बहुत सारे topic हैं which will help you. So you will become basically jack of all, but master of none here. If you want to become master of something, that you have to take after Encore and RC also to become master of OSPF, BGP, MPLS, all those things. Clear, everyone? Yeah. So after that, we have a net flow, flexible net flow, span, IPSLA, DNA, netconf, restconf. And in the security, we will learn about AAA. Like we will understand what is AAA. ACL, COPP is also part of an RC. Okay, but here we learn also EAP, WebEx, authentication, pre-shared key, wireless security के बारे में. And then we have these network security design techniques. Again, this is a theory part. Okay, and then we have automation, like how we can configure some basic commands and all. And we will understand. Means यहाँ पे 15% automation है. So we have around 10 to 15% of automation also. Okay, so this is Encore, and this is one of the major module if you want to, after this program, suppose you have a plan to become a CCI. Okay, suppose आप लोगों ने सोचा कि यार CCI करूंगा आने वाले टाइम में. Okay, so when you go for CCI, okay, where is Cisco website man? इतने ऐड चल रहे हैं, सब सिस्को की वेबसाइट नीचे होगी. ओके, आई थिंक दिस इज, मैं सीसीआई भी बता देता हूँ बिकॉज वी रन ऑल्सो सीसीआई बैचेस. Okay, so if you want to go for CCIE, so you can see this is the major, the CCNP and core module is mandatory for CCNP also, and it is also mandatory for your CCI. तो हम इससे नहीं भाग सकते, सिंपल बात है. ठीक है, you have to clear exam and their technologies are there. So even if you cram and give the exam, so maybe some people are going to ask you HSRP questions or quality of service, multicasting, multi-spanning tree protocol. So I'm sure like after learning Encore, you will open a lot of opportunities for you so that you will be able to answer mostly every routing switching technology. Because in an RC, you learn OSPF, EAGRP, BGP. But if somebody asks you what is IPSLA, you will not be able to answer. If somebody asks you VRRP, nobody, like it's difficult for you to answer. So that's why Encore and RC is definitely mandatory for everyone. Harikant. Lazy day. Sunday is always public lazy day. Okay, so after that, like in core, this is step one, and then you are eligible to give this exam, which is 8 hours lab on CCIE. Okay, so many good companies, suppose after the CCNP, you get a job, and now company is asking and giving you what we call sponsorship, that yes, we will pay for your CCI. There are many, many companies in India today, even outside India. Suppose you join companies like Cisco, you join like uh, good companies like good projects also like HCL Wipro. In some of the projects also, they give your CCI fees. And the exam fees of this bad certification, bad in the terms of amount because it's very, very costly, which is around $1,900. $1,900 का एग्जाम है ये. $1,900 only for the exam cost. And if you calculate, the exam cost of CCI is around 1,60,000 plus GST, which is around 1,70,000 today. And you will give this exam not in your city, you have to go Bangalore. Or if you do not get a seat in Bangalore, you have to go Hong Kong. Or maybe Dubai. Or maybe US, Canada. Because worldwide, okay, CCI exam locations are around 10. Okay, so there are 10 to 15 locations worldwide. और कोविड में मोस्टली बंद थी काफी सारी लोकेशंस. Okay, so these are the locations of CCI. You can give exam in Bangalore, Dubai, Brazil, Sao Paulo, San Jose. Okay, टोक्यो में भी जा सकते हो भाई जिसको पसंद है, बीजिंग, हांगकांग, सिडनी. ठीक है, एग्जाम देने के लिए बहुत है, इस बहाने घूमने को भी हो जाएगा. But yes, you need to get the visa because Cisco will give you one paper that yes, you have booked the exam. Now you can apply the visa. Okay. The mostly Indians go to Bangalore and Dubai. I'm just telling you because it's like suppose you are from Delhi. Okay, suppose आप दिल्ली से हो and you book your exam. The flight ticket to Bangalore is also 5-6 thousand, and the Dubai flight is also like 9 to 10 thousand. So people think let's go international. कहने को भी हो जाएगा भाई दुबई में एग्जाम दिया है. ठीक है, तो एक ये भी चीज है. Okay, so this is how you crack CCI, and CCI is the CCI is worth today. Definitely, it's one of the top exam in the market, but only with CCI you can't make it big in the networks. Okay, suppose you have only CCI, so trust me, the guys with the CCNP knowledge and CCI, there is not too much difference. Why? Because if you learn CCNP, you learn about, and in the CCI, what is the major difference? That this certification is expert level certification, but what if you see the CCI content, 90% syllabus is your CCNP syllabus. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? तो अगर आप जाके देखो कि हाँ भाई चलो लेट्स ट्राई टू गो फॉर सीसीआई, ओके, एंड इफ यू ट्राई टू चेक द एग्जाम कंटेंट ऑफ द सीसीआई एंटरप्राइज, so after CCNP and core and RC you will feel like oh ये तो मुझे आता है. Okay, so you can see here, so this is the CCI content because I want to show you the full fledged plan, है ना. तो मैं क्यों तुम्हें CCI का भी दिखा रहा हूँ कि हो सकता है तुम्हें आने वाले टाइम में देना पड़े. Suppose you want to give the CCI exam in future, so you can see all the VLAN technologies. Most of you learn these things in CCNA also, like VLANs, okay, access VLAN, VLAN database, native VLAN, okay. So VTP. So this VTP protocol is also very important, which covers in Encore. Okay, I will cover in Encore. So then we have Ether channel. Then we have spanning tree protocol. Then we understand about routing protocols like static routing and all. Then we understand about EAGRP, all the topics of EAGRP. Okay, so EAGRP, OSPF, all the topics of OSPF. Then we understand about BGP in detail. Okay, so this is what covers under an RC. This is the multicast. This is what we are going to cover in Encore. Okay, then SD access, again Encore ka part hai bhi. SD WAN, okay, again it is also in the Encore. Okay, then you understand MPLS. This MPLS is a part of an RC. DMVPN is a part of an RC, right? Yes or no? समझ आ रहा है ना तुमने? कुछ लोगों ने आरसी पढ़ा हुआ पहले से ही, right? And now you see VACLs, PACLs. This is what I'm going to cover in Encore. Okay, DHCP, snooping, port security, private VLAN. This is also going to be part of the Encore module. Then we understand about IPv6 and all. Okay, then we understand about these SSH, port security and all, simple network management protocol, quality of service. Okay, again HSRP, VRRP, GLBP, DHCP. ओके, नैट पैट रैट, ये रैट नहीं है कोई, ठीक है. नैट पैट ओनली. ओके, सो वी हैव IPSLA. सो अगर आप यहां देखो, दिस इज मोस्टली if you take my Encore and RC, if you have attended my NRC, that's good. If you are taking Encore also, you are getting like almost every topic what you are going to get in CCI. The only difference, the when I mark it that I am teaching CCI, the only difference I'm telling you today honestly, क्या difference है फीस का? The training fees. If I'm taking CCNP, okay, maybe we have a one fee structure for CCNP, but when we teach the same syllabus by just putting a name CCI Enterprise, we can ask a double amount from the market because CCI करा रहे हैं भाई. मैं तुम्हें सच बता रहा हूं. ठीक है कि CCNP और CCI में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. ओके, बट व्हाई पीपल आर स्टिल टेकिंग CCI? बिकॉज दे वांट टू क्लियर एग्जाम. Because when you take CCI trainings, 99% of the training companies or training centers, they are teaching CCI lab how to crack exam. But nobody is teaching content. Nobody is going in OSPF detail. Nobody is going in BGP in detail. So what is the use of that CCI when you do not know how to crack interviews? Yes or no? अगर आप CCI lab कर भी लो, there are today we have around 60,000 CCIs in the market, and trust me, half of them they do not have the even good knowledge on CCNP. This is everybody knows, because I like everybody know how to crack CCI or any exam. With everyone is like prepare, not everyone. Like I'm saying, half of or majority of the people, they are clearing their CCI from the dumps. Okay, and everybody follows that. Even Cisco knows, I'm sure, these things. But just imagine the guy who just crammed dumps. Okay, एक बंदा वो है जिसने सिर्फ रट्टा मारा और एग्जाम देके CCNP और CCI हो गया है. Okay, there is one guy who has crammed a CCNP exam, CCI, and he got the certification, but he do not know anything about basics. And there is a guy who understand everything, who knows everything about OSPF, BGP, MPLS, all other technologies what we are learning here, and he's a CCNP certified also, right? So definitely this guy is going to get more good amount of salary hikes in their career because he know how to crack the real industry things. इस बंदे का सर्टिफिकेशन क्रैक करके एक जॉब लग जाएगा, आने वाले टाइम में इसको इशू होगा, right? This guy who cleared the certifications but not having good knowledge, maybe he will get one job initially, but it's very difficult for him to get employable in further companies. He may not be able to get in the good companies. Then he has to relearn all the concepts. ठीक है, तो ये था the point. So I hope you got the point that you are learning. So the guys who are going to join my CCNA and core, and once they learn an RC, so you are done with CCI also. You are almost done with CCI. So CCNA plus NCore plus an RC is equal to CCIE. Clear, everyone? So if you have good knowledge, then already you are expert, right? Who is expert? The guys who have good knowledge on one particular subject is called expert, right? Certification can't tell you that you are expert or beginner, but your knowledge shows you that yes, you have the good knowledge. Okay. So that's all about NCore. Okay. So I hope you got the point what we are going to cover in CCNA, CCNP, and core. There are a lot of topics, but I would still recommend you do not forget about an RC. So, but my next an RC batch, I'm not sure. Okay. But this time I'm taking NA and core, and an RC will be taken by another trainer. Okay. Or maybe in future, I will also take one batch CCNA plus NRC. Okay. तो अगर मैं ले रहा हूं तो आपके पास एक ऐसा ऑप्शन होगा दैट यू आर अटेंडिंग माय CCNA and core this time, and maybe if I come up with a new batch in future with CCNA plus NRC, so you will be able to attend CCNA 2 times. Okay, suppose you are attending my core and after that you want to join my NRC also, so maybe the next batch I'll be taking CCNA plus NRC. Okay, so the plus point for all of you. Okay, so if you are attending this batch, okay, so maybe in future, if I take this, then you will be able to revise your CCNA concepts again. So this is what is happening with you all. The guys who attended my NRC, because August batch that you guys have attended my this batch, right? So if you are coming in core, okay, so we'll see, we'll discuss and we will give you the update how you can join. Okay, so if you are attending NCore, you will be, that's your choice. If you want to come in CCNA and revise, okay, if you do not want, then wait for another 1.5 months, 1.5 months, then directly join the NCore. No need to come in NA. You can revise your NRC till the time. Okay, so the guys from NRC, how was your experience, guys, till now in NRC? बोलो, फीडबैक जा रहा है तुम्हारा यूट्यूब पे?
Great, sir.
No, sir, best, great.
ये
What
मैंने
time, sir?
Awesome, sir.
So guys, turn on your cameras and say something. It's a open feedback. बहुत ही ज्यादा गंदा फीडबैक तो कोई देना चाहते तो पर्सनल दे देना यार, यूट्यूब पे हूं मैं। वैसे है नहीं, मुझे पता कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है जिसको फील आया कि बैच अच्छा नहीं गया है. एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन. जस्ट आई एम श्योर you just need to revise the content, right? Yes, Rajiv, how was your experience?
गुड सर, मैं तो मेंबरशिप के लिए सोच रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, फुल
इतने आपने
एक
कंटेंट बताए.
एक अतुल शर्मा लाइफ टाइम मेंबरशिप निकाल दे.
हाँ, ये फ्यूचर में हो सकता है कि आपसे जुड़े रहें, एक जो आपके साथ अटैचमेंट हुआ है और चीजें जो आपने फ्यूचर के लिए जो बताई है कि कैसे क्या क्या चीज है, आप अगर कर सकते हैं तो दो तीन चीजें हैं जो मेरे लिए मैं आपके साथ करना चाहता हूँ. अभी एनकोर है, पोलोल्टो है, एसडी वैन है, फिर क्लाउड पे भी जाना है. एक्चुअली मुझे सिक्योरिटी करनी है,
क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी, राइट?
क्योंकि
So
अभी
what
तो
is my plan, like after NA or NCore? Maybe see, from last 1 year I'm not taking NCore. This is the first batch of NCore I'm taking after like 1.5 years. First of all, तो अगर आप NCore अभी नहीं आ रहे हो तो I'm not sure when the NCore batch I'm going to take again.
नहीं, एनकोर तो लेना ही लेना है. एनकोर के साथ साथ ये भी है, तो ये 40
Okay.
गेट फायरवॉल पे काम करता हूँ, किसी पार्टनर के साथ काम करता हूँ, ऐसा ही है. ठीक
Okay,
है,
okay.
अभी आपके
So
साथ
guys, turn on your cameras, यार. See, this is our farewell class. You guys are not turning your cameras. At least show me your face. पहले दिन तो सबने ऑन कर लिए थे.
कुछ शेयर कर सकता हूँ सर.
हाँ रजी बोलो.
अभी जब क्लास ज्वाइन करते करते इतना कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हुआ ना कि दूसरी जगह इंटरव्यू दिया और उसकी वजह से इन लोगों ने मुझे हाइक कर दिया बिकॉज ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस क्लासेस के बाद। तो
Good,
मुझे और
good.
लग रहा है कि और कुछ करना चाहिए
So how
हमको
many of
इसमें।
you got the hikes, guys, during this batch? Like, have you got appraisals in your company? Yes, Afsar. What was your experience?
It's a good experience, sir. I got a new job during this
Okay.
phase.
Okay, great. So how much?
And so get the good hike, sir.
How much? 50%, 70? I'm not asking your package. Just percentage wise, how much percentage it was?
100%, sir.
More than 100. Okay, okay. मतलब 20 था पहले, अब 40 हो गया होगा.
Yes, sir.
सर
Yes.
एक चीज फील करी है मैंने
हाँ
कि
जी, हाँ
क्लास
जी.
करने के बाद ना कि अब कोई भी इंटरव्यू क्लियर कर सकता हूँ, तो मैं knock.com पे अप्लाई करता रहता हूँ।
गुड यार, गुड. अगर सो वी हैव लाइक रिज्यूमे, कुछ सेशन होंगे तुम्हारे पास. ओके, और इन ऑन माय यूट्यूब आल्सो देयर इज अ यूट्यूब व्हाट वी कॉल सेशन. ओके, रिज्यूमे एंड ऑल वो भी आप कर सकते हो. ओके. यस महेश, व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
सर बहुत बढ़िया था. क्या नेक्स्ट क्या करूँ, कंफ्यूजन है. पर इतने सारे
मैं हूं, बैठा
कोर्सेस
हूं.
हैं, इतने सारे कोर्सेस हैं, सारे कर मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द
देखो,
करने पड़ेंगे.
प्रॉब्लम यही है मार्केट का कि आजकल कंपटीशन हाई हो गया है. ओके, ट्रस्ट मी, द नेटवर्क इंजीनियर डोमेन इज स्टिल like it's not too much competitive. If you go to software industry, man, people are killing each other by learning like 30 languages. Like you have to learn a lot of technologies in full stack engineer, DevOps में भी 36 चीजें पढ़नी पड़ती हैं. हमारा नेटवर्किंग फिर भी सिंपल है अभी भी, कि आप CCNA CCNP फायरवॉल करो, इसके बाद SD WAN और नेटवर्क ऑटोमेशन करो. 30 40 50 तक तो यही पहुंचा देता अपने को. Okay, so it's not that much complex domain. So do not get confusion. NRC content is with you for like longer time, right? So Encore is, you join Encore batch, you revise your CCNA again, because life is all about revising the content again and again. And if you're getting the opportunity to learn CCNA revision again, so I think this is you guys are lucky. Simple.
रिवीजन करना पड़ेगा वरना भूल जाएंगे 6 महीने में.
वो तो है भूल. सो यू गाइज हैव टू रिवाइज.
ये क्लासेस कब से स्टार्ट होंगे, रजिस्ट्रेशन कब से स्टार्ट होगा?
सो रजिस्ट्रेशन कैसे, मैंने यहीं पे कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ. सो व्हाट आई डू, लाइक कोई फॉर्म वगैरह, बिकॉज वी हैव ऑल योर डिटेल्स, बिकॉज यू ऑल आर इंटरनल स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, so I'm sure that you are connected with your counselors, right? You can directly ping them and you can connect that I want to go for Encore and all. Okay, what we will do, we will arrange a call also, don't worry. Yes, Bilal, job, kya experience hai?
Hello, sir. I'm audible.
Yeah, audible.
Amazing experience. I learned a lot of things during the 6 months of journey, and I built up much more confident in different technologies, in networking, even in the security and little bit of DevOps. And I got a job. So
Okay,
amazing,
great.
amazing experience.
So you are joining as a network engineer or DevOps? What exactly?
Right now, I have joined as a DevOps engineer, and I'm also handling some
So is
security
this
tasks.
so I'm asking you honestly, because many people ask me that should we go for CCNP if I want to become a DevOps engineer? So do you think your CCNP knowledge is going to add value in your DevOps career?
Actually, what happens, when there is a task related to cloud, and you have to maintain some networking in cloud. So doing CCNP will, definitely give a benefit, because, when you will doing some configurations, you will feel like, okay, I have done on these routers, so I know this, how these things work. So definitely it will do benefit.
Okay, great.
Yep.
Hi, Michael. How are you?
Hi, fine, thank you. How are you?
Good. So
Yes.
so how was your experience in this?
Actually, my experience is still moving on. Course one.
Okay, course one.
I have managed to survive through the language. Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of Canada here and there, so I figure it out.
But technical content I have delivered in English
Technical
only.
is very okay, very nice, very impressive.
Thank you. So So you joined
But,
me in between the batch, I think, right?
Yeah, I joined in between.
Okay, okay.
But it is that I missed the very first parts, but reading through over and over, I believe we have some good access to these videos.
Yeah, you have the access to videos.
Yes, so it has been
So
okay.
I'll be giving you all Juniper course also, as I recommend, like committed initially. Okay, so very soon you guys will be getting a JNCIA batch complimentary from my side.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Fortunately, unfortunately, I won't be joining your encore because I'm in another encore class for, is it Kevin?
Yeah, Kave.
Yeah, Kavi. So actually, after your class, I usually jump into Kavi's class
okay.
every weekend. So it has been tight for me.
So it should be, it's a good part that you learn from different people so that you enhance your knowledge. Yeah.
So now I am looking for, I think I would be joining the SD1 because you said it is advisable to do SD1.
Yeah. SD1 is very important. Yes.
Yeah. So I think I'm going to look for SD1 then.
Yeah.
I wish you could take SD1.
Sure. I'll try to take SD1 also.
Then the other thing I wanted to ask, I heard of Cisco is going to change the questioning.
For SD1?
Is it CCNP? I think it is ENCO or one of something I heard or something I read.
I do not have updates. I'll let you know.
Because is it? I think before maybe June or July around there, they're changing the questions. They're changing the topics they are questioning. So
okay, for SD1.
No, like CCNP.
Okay, I will check, but I think there is no update.
I think ENCO. I think ENCO they are going to change the questions for ENCO. So maybe you should look at that and then maybe update us and see how fast we can do the exam before the syllabus is changed. Yeah.
Okay. Sure. I'll check and update. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
So where is Ellen? Hi, Ellen. William. So I have a lot of international people. I hope they got the point because I wanted to take the feedback if they understand the batch or not. Yes.
Hi, Atul sir. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, so the class was really great. Like, I think this is one of the best, investment I have done so far.
Thank you.
Investing in your own, in your education. So I'm so happy that I joined in your class, learned a lot of things, and still learning, still going on.
So are you joining me for Encore?
Yeah, the thing is the timing, because I'm in a different country. I'm in Australia.
Okay.
Yeah, the timing is a bit.
So this time is okay for you, this 4:30?
Yeah, for that is perfectly fine because now it's 8:30 here.
Okay. So if I make it Saturday, Sunday, same timing, you will be joining with me.
Yeah, anyways, I will be joining, but if it's in weekdays, I will be probably watching.
Yeah, because if I'll be taking
videos
on weekdays, then it will be your early 4 a.m. I think.
Yeah, true.
Oh man. Yes, let's do it for 3 months. Okay, great.
Yeah, I will try. Yeah, but anyways, the recorded videos will be there. So
okay. Sure. Carlos, are you there? Guys.
Hi, you hear me?
Yeah. I can't see you. Your camera is working?
No, unfortunately, I've been trying to get it working, but no, I'm sorry about that.
Got it. So I think you also joined in this batch as a mid because I can see you in the new batch also, right? So,
yes, right.
You gain something from this batch or not?
Yes.
Okay.
For sure. It's been great revising some of the topics and also learning from you. It's great the way that you're teaching. I'm the same with Alan. I might not be able to join on the week because I'll be working at that time, and the only time that I really have is on the weekend.
So I'll try to, because the people who are in India, so they are okay with my Saturday, Sunday. So let me check with my team and I can shift this batch Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to Saturday 4:30 same timing. Okay. So if you guys are comfortable, definitely we'll discuss internally and try to make it Saturday, Sunday 4:30 p.m.
Yeah, that would be great.
Okay.
Yeah. But other than that,
Carlos.
everything has been good. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone who want to share something? Donalda? ओके गौरव गोविंद भाई क्या हो गया? वैसे तो इतना बोलते हो, आज तुम्हें बोलना ही, तुम इमोशनल हो रहे हो क्या आज? हरिकांत क्या हुआ? बोल नहीं राज?
नहीं
Yes.
सर, गुड सर। बैच
All
काफी
good?
अच्छा गया सर, बिल्कुल ऑल गुड बेस्ट। बस थोड़ा सा बीजीपी में थोड़ा सा मतलब क्लियर नहीं हो पाया, क्योंकि मैं तो पहली बार फर्स्ट टाइम पढ़ा था, तो थोड़ा सा रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा। बट आपने पढ़ाया बहुत तो सुंदर तरीके से, समझ में आया।
वो रिवीज बिकॉज क्या हुआ ना, ओएसपीएफ आपने बहुत डिटेल में पढ़ा. Okay, you learned the OSPF for around 15-16 hours, and then BGP went for around 20 hours. So which is like too much for you all to consume the data. This is what I'm saying. In future, what we are going to do, we will give videos, and then in like for 6 months, you will be able to come online and ask doubts. So we are going on that platform. But this batch and core, I'm going to take in the same way, like full regular live classes.
Yes sir, yes.
Okay, ICE will cover in core. No, ICE is not part of core. It's under S core. Okay, so thank you all for joining this session. Okay, and I hope like those who are not joining further with me for either core or any module, I wish you all the best. Okay, so I will take 1 or 2 sessions. Okay, like I have created a WhatsApp group also. Okay, so let me share this link so that because when I complete my batches, I share some WhatsApp group link so that you stay connected with me. Okay, so I'm sharing again those who have not joined that. Okay, so कहाँ से भेजते हैं यार इसको? भेजना भी टफ है. Just hold on. Guys, I'm sharing in my WhatsApp group. Can anybody share this link in the Zoom chat? I'm not able to copy paste. Okay, so the guys who are writing me so big messages, it's better you say something live because that has a big impact rather than text. Because text reviews, so okay, so Sudeep got 30-40% hike approx and he got best performer of the year. Congrats, Sudeep. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
Before you leave, some of us are not on the WhatsApp group you're talking
Yeah, I'm
about.
sharing WhatsApp group. Just see the WhatsApp group. I have shared in the chat. Got it? Can you see the chat link, guys? Click on that link and join, okay? Okay, bye-bye, guys. Thank you. So the guys who are watching me, so you can WhatsApp here. Okay, and the guys who want to join my CCNA core, you can connect with your counselors or you can discuss with them, okay, about CCNA, CCNP and core batch. Thank you all. Bye-bye.